In this video, I'm out in Wesley Chapel, Florida in the Perimmon Park community, and I'm gonna take you on a tour of 2 custom homes that are completed and ready to go. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. All right, so this community here, Perimmon Park at Wiregrass Ranch. Sorry about that. HOA fee, $3.99 a quarter here. CDD fee is $21.98 per year. That includes your internet, cable, also your irrigation, and there's pool, dog park, trails, all that good stuff. So let's dive on in. I'm gonna talk a little loud because they're putting sod down over here. So this is the Primrose floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage, 2434 square feet. Currently listed at $697,125. So let me pan around and show you what it looks like over here. Then we'll go inside and take a look. You do have the corner lot. So let me walk over here real fast to kind of give you a look at this. And then this is kind of a, like more of an urban setting. So you have the alleyway down there to access your garage. So let's go inside, take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I love the stone columns here. You got the front balcony on the 2nd floor, board and batten over there. And then the pavers in the entryway here. You have a nice covered front porch here. And ICI is a custom builder. So if you don't like this particular one, you can build it from scratch. So like I said before, this one is $697,125. The Primrose floor plan starts at $585,900. So it just kind of gives you an idea where you're at. So you come in, LVP flooring, you have your 8-foot doors, the black hardware. Bedroom number 1 up front right here. And then you have the walk-in closet here. All right, so right here you're gonna have a linen closet. And then bathroom number 1, you have the gray cabinets, the quartz countertops. And then your tile around your tub and shower combo goes all the way up to the ceiling, which I love. Nice transom window and a niche in there. All right. Continuing on over to the right, you're gonna have a 1st floor main bedroom suite. So let's go to the right first. So you come in, you have closet number 1 right here. And then directly across from that is going to be closet number 2. And then the bedroom is going to be back here. So you do have the crown molding up there. And then your pre-wire for your ceiling fan above. Check out this window. So let me know what you think about this, because you got the one here on that side. And then just obviously your regular window there. So it's a little different design, which is definitely not the cookie cutter, which is nice. So come into the bathroom, got the tile floor here, your dual vanity or your white cabinets, your quartz countertops. And then to the left over here, it's gonna be your water closet and then your linen closet. All right, let's check out this shower. Love the marble floor. That's really, really nice. I like the tile all the way up to the ceiling again, transom window. And then you have a niche in right there as well. All right. Continuing on. Right here, you have some understair storage. So you come on down and it goes around a little bit right there. All right, let's go upstairs, then we'll come back down and finish. So LVP on the stairs as well. Got the wrought iron handrail, which is nice. Nice big window there and a chandelier in the stairwell. When you come up the stairs, right here to the left is going to be your air handler. And then check out this huge loft. You got a tray ceiling up there. And of course out to the balcony, which we'll go up there in a second. So bedroom number 3. And then right outside of the bedroom, you have a linen closet here. And then bathroom number 3, the white cabinets, the quartz countertops, and then a different gray hexagon tile. And then the niche in there as well. I love how they do all the different colors and it's not just the same bland cookie cutter stuff. And bedroom number 4. This one has a walk-in closet. All right, let's go outside, take a look at this balcony. It might get loud again, because I know they're out here working. You got your sliding glass doors. You come out, nice covered patio here. All right, let's go back downstairs, finish taking a look at the kitchen and the living room and the garage and all that good stuff. All right, so you get down to the bottom of the stairs. To the left right here is gonna be your family room. You got nice tall ceilings, tray ceilings. You do have power in the floor right there. Your triple sliders. And then over to the right, nice big island with the quartz countertops. You have the gray cabinets for the island. Refrigerator would obviously go there, and then white cabinets for the rest. Quartz countertops. You have your marble for the backsplash, and then your pantry right there. This is an electric community, so you have your electric cooktop there. Nice big stainless steel range hood with the backsplash going all the way up to the ceiling, and the 2 windows on the side, which is nice. In the island, you have your stainless steel dishwasher, single bowl undermount sink. And then over here, you have your wall-mounted oven and microwave. And of course, this will be your little dining area here. Lots of windows. You got your tray ceiling above the dining area. Let's go out here real fast. I'll show you this. So your covered lanai out here. You have your paver patio, nice covered lanai. Here's that side yard. And then your backyard. And while I'm over here, I might as well just walk over here, show you, because I'm not gonna open the garage door. So you just pull down this alleyway here, and then here is your garage. And while I'm over here, I might as well just walk around and show you this side of the house as well. So there's the side of the home. Let's go back inside, finish taking a look. And it is plumbed for sink, outdoor kitchen out here. And you have the power there. All right, come in out of the patio. Go to the left. You're gonna have your first floor laundry room. Laundry tub there. I would add some cabinets there instead of the wire shelving. And then right out here is going to be your 2-car garage. So you have the epoxy on the floor, and then your water heater in the corner over there. All right, that's going to do it for this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. There you go. Once again, this is the Primrose floor plan. So let me know what you think about this in the comments below. You can either buy this inventory home or if you don't like these finishes or whatever, you can build your own. So I will see you at the next one. This is the Azalea floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage. Also has an office, 2748 square feet. Currently listed at $751,150. Pan around, show you what it looks like over here. And then that's the first one that we filmed. So this one, if you want to build, starts at $635,900, and then you can customize it how you like. So nice front porch here as well. Got your covered front porch with the paver patio. All right, let's go inside. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments. In the front door, you have your LVP flooring, and then over to the right, you have your staircase. So let's go up the stairs first, then we'll come back down. So you got your wood hand railing, your wrought iron, LVP on the floor. I love how you have your 8 different windows right there to allow some light in. I know there's one commenter that doesn't like anything, so I'm sure they'll comment, I hate windows, but it's pretty awesome. You let some all that light in. So come up top, and to the right, I'll go ahead and show you here since you kind of saw it when it's coming up, the nice big loft here with a tray ceiling overlooking the living room, which we'll get down there in a minute. Behind these 2 doors, you have 2 different air handlers. Let's go over here, go out to the 2nd story balcony first. So you come out, nice covered area. So a nice balcony to hang out with that urban feel. All right, back inside. Over here is gonna be bedroom number 1. Get your nice 2 windows looking out the balcony, and then your closet there. You're gonna have a Jack and Jill bath. So it looks like these are, my eyes are still adjusting, but they look pretty dark, maybe even black espresso cabinets with the quartz countertops. Got your transom window up there, which is nice. So a lot of natural light in here. And then your toilet and your tub and shower combo here. You do have the tile all the way up, and then the niche right there with the hexagon, the black tile. And then you go into bedroom number 2. Come out of bedroom number 2, and you have one more bathroom, bathroom number 2. Same cabinets, same countertops, and then your tile all the way to the ceiling with the transom window and a different insert on the niche here. So once again, I like how they're mixing things up. And then you have bedroom number 3 over here. Nice sized bedroom with the quarter windows overlooking the back. Just kind of show you out back here. So of course that's where your garage would be. And on this one, since it's the same as the other one, I'm not gonna walk to the back of this one to show you what the alleyway looks like. All right, so coming out, you have a linen closet right here, and then you turn left, go back to the loft. You do have the power in the floor here. You also have it in the floor right over there. And then this looks down to your family room. So let's go downstairs, get a closer look at that. All right, so when you come down to the bottom of the stairs, you have a little area here. And then right here, you're gonna have a half bath underneath the stairs. So toilet there, pedestal sink here, got the black mirror there. All right, let's continue on down the hall. You have your laundry room up front here. So laundry tub there. And then over here, you're gonna have a little closet if you wanna store some of your laundry detergent, mops, vacuum cleaner, stuff like that. And then your coat closet here for when you come in the front door, which, who uses the front door anymore? Let me know in the comments below. Do you enter your house through the front door or through your garage? So right here is gonna be your flex room. They're calling it an office, but you can decide how you wanna use it. You have your French doors with a glass in them. Nice size room. And then directly across from that is going to be your main suite. So you come in, nice size bedroom. You have your French doors that lead into the bathroom. Check out this floor. You got a marble floor in here that continues on into your shower. And then you have the white tile all the way up. Nice, big, wide shower. I mean, look how wide that is. And then a nice niche in the wall there. And then of course your glass. And then once again, different color cabinets, which is nice. Dual vanity, different countertops. Got your 2 transom windows up top there. And then that marble tile continues on into the water closet. And then back here, it's gonna be your walk-in closet. I'm not sure about having a window in my closet, especially since that's the front porch, but I would just frame this out with some millwork and put some blinds in right there. But then here's the rest of your closet, nice size closet. All right, continuing on, coming in out of the main suite and taking a left, and you're into your family room. Massive ceilings here, lots of windows for natural light. Got your triple sliders there, and then into your kitchen. Got the black island, yep, so it's definitely black. Now that my eyes have adjusted. Refrigerator obviously would go there. Got your undermount or under cabinet lighting. Nice little design on the backsplash there. And then your pantry right here. Got that electric cooktop there, stainless steel range hood. And then in your island, you got that farmhouse style white Kohler sink. And then stainless steel dishwasher. And then your wall mounted oven and microwave there. And of course your dining area here. And then you also have a door to lead out to your covered lanai here. Plumbed for an outdoor kitchen. And then of course you have, being a corner lot as well, there's that alley that you can come down. And then of course right over here, it's a one-way alley. So this is the way you would come in and go to your garage on the back side of that wall. All right, and speaking of that garage, here it is, your 2-car garage. You do have your epoxy on the floor. And then your water heater there, water softener loop in the bottom. So that's gonna do it for this one. Once again, this is the Azalea floor plan. So let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite.